Good morning, traders. I hope you guys are doing well today. Right now, it's about a minute and a half until the market opens. I'm looking at NIO. This one last Thursday had a big move, and it's been dropping since. Looks like it found its place where it wants to consolidate around 775, and it's trying to move back on up. But this, to me, kind of looks like inverse head and shoulders in a way. The head down here and the shoulders around 825. Might be, making its next leg on up. It's already pushed a lot of shorts out. A lot of the sellers are out. We might be starting to head back on up. This one is the IPO, and so because of that, the value of it hasn't quite yet been determined, and so this one is pretty volatile, and people are trying to push this one back on up. We got just about 20 seconds left, but I got a few stocks on my watch list. Not a whole lot. I'm just going to wait and let the opportunities come to me. We'll be patient. Let's get into the trades. Well, we got volume back, ladies and gentlemen. We got some really good volume back. I cannot pull the trigger on this. This one's a great mover. At the same time, it's right up near its 200-day now. It's had like a $1.50 spread this whole run. I just don't want to risk a lot of money like that. It's more of a gamble type of trade for me. I want a spread that's under 5 cents, not under $2. NIO, I do like this pattern a lot. I want to see what it's going to do around this $9 area. I'm in NIO at $8.99. I like this pattern though. I'll show you what pattern I'm talking about here. Just going off of this trend line here. See how the stock was bouncing off that? It might hit this and come back down a little bit. Go back on the trend line here. That's fine. If it does that, it still has some room. It's getting squeezed together. The thing is, it's making higher lows. That's what we like. It's making lower highs and higher lows. Getting squeezed together in this channel. So just getting in near the support. If it cracks this bottom trend line, that's when I'm going to be out. But what I showed you this morning was a nice pattern. I think it looked pretty good. I like the pattern on this quite a bit. Right now we're seeing it struggle around this upper trend line. Look at the bids, 904, 905, 906. Big bids. That's a good sign. Bids are coming up. It's really struggling around this upper trend. There we go. There we go. Here's some good volume. Oh, huge wall at 910. Goodness gracious. You guys see that? Huge wall at 910. We got like 40,000 shares or so. A lot of shares here. Be smart to probably sell into this. Looks like we're pushing through it. Good job, guys. All these, like, what in the world? You see 915 orders? Look how many there are. 915 is huge because that's pretty much where the stock opened up at. 915. Oh, we got 915 bids. Oh, let's go, baby. Woo! Taking off. Man, look at the buyers coming in. Look at this volume, guys. That's what we want to see. Just huge amounts of volume coming in. We are squeezing them shorts, baby. What we want to do now is stay up above 915 because that's the open of the day. 915. Probably going to sell if it comes back below 915. I don't know. I mean, it still could bounce around 910-ish. This is a great pattern, guys. Really great pattern. I'm so glad y'all are able to see this. This is exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to sell 150 shares. Let the other 150 keep on grinding. Keep on grinding. All right, I'm going to see what it does near 950. 950 might be my area that I'm going to sell. Seeing a nice little pullback here. That's all right. We actually do need a pullback. We really do. This is healthy. It's no problem at all. Guys, I'm in at $8.99. I don't want to sell too early. I always sell early. I was only in this 300 shares. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been trading very small, just getting my consistency back. Been patient, man. I waited for this one. I felt good this week, guys. Really have felt good this week. I'm green every day except Monday now. Monday was a very small loser. I feel good, though. I feel really good. I mean, imagine if I would have been in this just 1,000 shares. I'd be up like $400 or $500 right now. Just trading small. I mean, it's you don't have to come in here trying to make $10,000 a day. That's something I really want you guys to understand, because a lot of you, including me at times, will see other traders make big profits. They're doing really well, guys. Some other traders, they'll be doing really well, and we'll compare ourselves to them when we're all on our separate trading journeys. You're on your own trading journey, I'm on mine, and he or she's on theirs. We all have different experience. We can't trade the exact same pattern or thing that other people are trading as well, because honestly right now a lot of people I know are trading ALT. ALT has a $1.50 spread. I'm not doing that. I'm really not doing that. That's not my wheelhouse. I'm not gonna risk $1.50 as soon as I get into a trade. Um, but right now, NIO was the play I scoped out early in the day. It dropped at the start, so I kind of just kept it on the back burner. And then I saw the pattern develop. It started to get a squeeze to it, squeeze pattern, and that's when I got into it. Now it still has room to drop some. NIO, I do see this one coming all the way down to the trend line, which is going to be right around the 915 area. I actually wouldn't mind picking up some more of these shares, probably around the 915 area. I'm really happy with my entry on this. That's why I'm confident in staying into this position. I've already locked in $65 on it, and the rest of my shares I'm going to be green some. I could just lock it in and make over $100, but I think this one does have more room to go. Today is a really active day in the market. There's a lot of traders out there, and you definitely want to try to take advantage of it and possibly even add to this position as it comes right back down. You see it's fighting the 90 MA right now. 925 has a lot of orders stacked up on it. So it's fighting this area. It looks like it's going to crack though. Yeah, it's getting sold into. Alright, so we're coming back down near this trend line. That's completely fine. Completely fine. It makes me nervous, and oftentimes I'll sell into a stock when it cracks barely. See how it barely cracked this trend line here, 915. I saw the bids go down to 912. That didn't make me happy. I was looking to actually sell into that, because that actually made me pretty nervous right there. That's why sometimes it's scary to add to my positions. I know I want to add because this is right off the trend line, because I do see this one making another move. I want to trade this smart, guys. That's what I want to do. See it consolidating around here and then U-shaping back on up again. What you want to do is keep in mind the open of the day. Open of the day was 915. Then keep in mind the trend lines. Several things to keep in mind. So it's bouncing off the trend line and bouncing off the open of the day. So I'm sticking to my gut right now. I really thought this one's going to get a bounce somewhere around here. Sticking to my gut, trusting myself, trusting this process. That's what I haven't done recently, has been trusting myself, been exiting my positions way too early. I mean, right now ALT is up to $33. Guys, this is an account changer. This is an account changer. But at the same time, I'm not trading this, guys. I just can't do it. Some people will make a ton of money on it. But you're risking a ton of money as well. What I'm doing is trading something that's predictable. Very predictable pattern. I've talked to you guys through this the whole time. There's other stocks that you can make a lot more money on, but this is how you make predictable money every day. That's what I'm more interested in, making a predictable couple $100 a day versus making a random $100,000. I don't care to win the lottery. I care for consistency. Here we go again, guys. Believing in myself. Believing in your plan, baby. Just believing in it. Guys, and adjusting my stop here at 915 just because of the solid support. We saw it bounce, 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 bounce. It's just bouncing so well around these areas. This is only 300 shares, guys, up over $100. I'm trading small, but this week I'm feeling good. I'm going to start sizing in some more if I keep trading like this. Ooh, these are iffy areas. It looks like it's cracking this trend right here. That's what kind of made me nervous. Really looks like it's cracking that trend line. And guys, I sold right down here thinking it was cracking the trend line. Not happy at all about that. At all. But traders, I think I'm going to end it right there on that note, a green note. 3 out of 4 green days this week, and my red day was really small. I'm really happy about the week. I'm feeling really great, feeling in shape, not physically, but mentally in shape to trade right now. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer all of them. This is about community, about helping each other out. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.